Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whenever you're watching. Hope it's good. So, a little update. It's been a little bit. Been working quite a bit, so I try to get out here when I can. Starting to get the valve train on. Mocking up where the turbo is going to go. I bought this at the swap meet. Quaker Steak and Lube swap meet. It's just a stock 36 horse, and I'm having to, as you can see, modify it to make it work. I'm going to clean it up, put some spot welds on there. But hey, for 20 bucks, and there's my phone. Don't know who you are. Anyway, so for 20 bucks, I couldn't go wrong. I didn't really want to buy a new one, because if I got to do this to a new one, because they don't fit either, why not just spend less money? Anyway, I'm just kind of mocking everything up, making sure it's going to fit. Looks like it's going to fit good. Pull that down a little bit. What else have I done today? I don't know if I showed y'all what I got at the swap meet. Bought a pulley, the cheapest aftermarket pulley you could find. I bought it. I didn't buy much. Oh, I bought these studs. I bought these 8 mil to 6 mil studs, because this H case took a 6mm oil pump. So I had the bright idea that I could drill it out and make a 8 mil pump work, and that idea proved to be wrong, because the bolt pattern on an 8 mil pump is a little bit different, and I did not know that. So I bought these step studs, 8 back to 6. So I'll put a 6 mil pump in it. Yeah, so we're kind of just poking along here. I'm hoping to get this done by end of February. I think Matt and Ben are planning to go back to the track, and I would like to have something a little bit more competitive than 20 seconds, even though technically speaking, Matt and Ben, who have the big turbo cars, you know, they went out there and ran each other, and Matt blew by Ben a little bit, so me and Matt raced, and technically speaking, the old Red Rocket with its stock 1600 beat him to the end of the track. It's not how fast you are, it's how you get there, who's to cross the finish line first. So technically speaking, I did beat the fastest car. Now I think they're going to bring their A game at the end of February, and I might have to relinquish that title. But if this is done, then I don't know, I might be a little competitive. We never know. We'll see. But that's the fun of it. So there's a swap meet tomorrow. I'm going to go down to Charlie's. I need some sled tins. I need this pulley tin that goes here. I need a few things. So I still got to port the manifolds to match the heads that Matt did the work on. So let's do a little bit more work on here, and I'll bring y'all back in. So I got a little sidetracked. Started making some piping for a turbo system. I think it's going to look pretty good. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all, I got this at the swap meet too. Hold on a second. So I do a little trimming on the back side of this, make that fit a little better, and looks something like that. It'll fit under the deck lid, be able to close it. kind of mimics CB's header and turbo system they got for the Type 1 sedan. This will be John's header and turbo system. How about that? All right, get back with you in a little bit. Okay, I'm about done for the night. Got a car show to go to tomorrow, but here is a little sneak peek. There it is. I cut this off, put a hole there, form it in there, and it's all just tacked together at the moment, but we will fix that. Until next time, see ya.